know, guys, at first I actually didn't really like these cars, these new BRZs or the GR86, but they're starting to grow on me. I actually think I like them. I don't know if I like them more than the old ones, because the old ones are really aggressive. Oh shit, it's a rainbow, guys. Can you see the rainbow? I'm sorry, I got distracted. But yeah, like I don't think they're as good as the old ones, but I think they're pretty good now. Like I like them, and I mean, if it was just a turbocharged engine, it'd be like a game changer. But it's still a pretty cool car though. Bro, what the flapper, dude, bro? It's freaking 8:30 in the morning. I think. Oh shit! I think these guys were going in the meet or something. Oh shit! Okay, there's a 350. What is that? Is that a Subi? I think that was a Subi, bro. Pretty sure that was a Subi. Damn, bro. I think these guys were going to the meet too. It was like a 350, a BRZ, and a Subi. I think the Subi's the one that's like, what do you call it? On his roof. Damn, bro. Should I bring it back, bro? Should I bring it back? Put on the E90? But it has to be. Is this dip? Yeah, that's dip. Oh, I think it is dip. I think it is because it's in the. Actually, I don't know. You can't really tell. If it is dip, it's really good, actually.
No, it's wrap.
It's wrap? Okay. Well, either way, I would have to do it in gloss, though. I can't do a satin one anymore. But should I bring it back on this car, bro? I mean, this car's already kind of paper baggy.
Yeah, Keegan's not here to draw a dick on here. Like, cheap but good. And I was like, you're building a motor. That's your first mistake.
Yeah, cheap but good.
Well, because I told him. I haven't seen you in a minute, and I haven't seen you guys in a minute.
What's up, man? Where's AJ?
He's on the way. He's
fan of the group. Or actually, Clarence is in there.
I steal that from you.
The baby. Oh my god, it looks nice and clean.
That's 55 right here?
I think so. Dude, I can't. I'm actually really excited to like finish my engine build so I can start doing like exterior and like interior stuff. Because I really want the brown one or the red like seats like this.
Yeah.
I'm tired of my beige. The beige is so gross. Yeah, I think I want to do red. It's either red or the brown, you know what I mean?
I'm like, they depreciate value just like that. I like that. And that shit's hard.
What hats? The white one? Yeah, he did. It's a, you know. This is our boy Isaac.
Hey there,
there should be one next to me.
Yeah? Hi. How you doing?
A what? A Fisher Price?
A cheaper price.
Oh, I thought you said a Fisher Price, bro. $3 you said? The $3? I have $3 in my pocket. Yeah, I got them. Is that Kyle? I can do $3 worth of work.
It is pretty old.
It's like, yeah, it's 2 years old. 2, 3 years old. Bro, look at that wrap over there. Bro, I've been trying to convince my girl to wrap her car. Like, to let me like learn how to wrap it on her car. But we're trying to fix her transmission first, because that shit's like blown up, man. Yeah. Oh, is it Ultima? Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Oh, this is like a spectacular D35, right?
Oh, yeah, I don't know. What are you talking about? I feel like I remember seeing that thing finished. It looks pretty good.
Yeah, it is. Probably spent as much as $5.
Yeah. Should we do it, Nigel? Come on, man.
Oh yeah, we're in that house now, so.
Oh, really?
You need to order their wraps.
I will probably do that, man. That's sick. Let's go see. Oh, it's a Mark 3 Pro.
You took your time with it, man. Like, I try to rush my shit, but you actually took your time with it.
That's a small AR on that turbo. It's like big, but it's really
Looks cool though.
What's up, brother?
What's up, bro? How are you?
How
How was the meet last night?
It was pretty good. It was television show.
Was it? Oh, I saw the picture.
Like
Yeah.
Gibbs showed up.
Oh,